Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Docker Compose for local Airflow and PostgreSQL, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Docker Compose for local Airflow and PostgreSQL, start by ensuring that Docker and Docker Compose are installed on your machine. Create a new directory for your project. Navigate to this directory in your terminal. Inside the project directory, create a file named dockercompose.yml. Open the dockercompose.yml file in your preferred text editor. Begin by defining the version of Docker Compose you want to use. For example, use version 3.8. Next, define the services that you will be using. Add the PostgreSQL service. Set the image to Postgres latest. Define environment variables for PostgreSQL. Specify the Postgres_user, Postgres_password, and Postgres_DB. For instance, set Postgres_user to Airflow, Postgres_password to Airflow, and Postgres_DB to Airflow_DB. Next, define the Airflow service. Set the image to Apache/Airflow 2.1.0. Set the environment variable Airflow_core_executor to local executor. Configure Airflow to connect to PostgreSQL. You can do this by setting the Airflow_database_SQL_alchemy_con variable. Use the connection string in the format PostgreSQL plus psycop2//user. Replace user, password, and database with your earlier settings. Add the depends_on directive to establish a dependency on PostgreSQL. Specify that Airflow should wait for PostgreSQL to be ready. Define the volumes for both services. For PostgreSQL, mount a volume for persistent data storage. For Airflow, mount a volume to store DAG files. Ensure that you define the ports for each service. Expose PostgreSQL on port 5432. Expose Airflow on port 8080. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.